So sometimes on some of these houses that they're flipping, they will tell you that they've got brand new flooring, cabinets, all that good stuff. And you'll see here an indication that the floor, the wood floor, is even with the tile floor. Now you gotta have certain thickness so that the tile doesn't crack. And as I'm walking through, you probably just heard that little pop. Just walking through, you can hear little cracks and pops. So eventually this, nope, there goes another one. Eventually this tile is going to pop. There's a crack right here already. You can see, and that could be from that, but anyway, as you're going through, the floor's got a little bit of a bounce to it. Eventually, that's a style of tile, but eventually this floor is going to crack because the thickness isn't thick enough when they put it down.